zombie apocalypse.
Welcome back to Client Build Part 2, guys. A $6,000 gaming computer on the Core P5. Now, we have just done all of our liquid cooling tubing and we are ready to fill this beast. We're going to be using a UV green coolant in this system with some distilled water. We also added a silver kill coil up the top, which acts as a natural biocide, keeping the loop nice and clean. Now, to fill this, we simply unscrewed the top fitting to the reservoir and we simply let the gravity feed the liquid through like so. Once it's fed, we attach the liquid cooling tubing back onto the system and we cycle the pump to get it all through the system. So we'll do this numerous amounts of times until the loop is full of liquid, and then we'll add our green dye, and then we will keep testing it and get all of the bubbles out and bleed it out overnight just to make sure it all works properly. To do this, I'm just using a funnel and the liquid simply goes straight in, and it's just an easy way for us to fill it up. When cycling the system, do not let the pump run dry, which is why when the reservoir pretty much went empty, I turned the system off. Once we went through our first cycle, we filled it up with some more liquid to make sure that we have enough liquid within the system until it can continuously run. It is important to let the system run for a while to bleed out all of the air. Also, tilting it sideways and tapping it can also help bleed out the air bubbles. Here we have just added the UV green dye, and I really like the look that it makes in the reservoir. We just had to pause on this look for a bit because we were pretty amazed about it.
Look at that, that looks so good.
With the addition of some UV lights, this liquid will light up nice and bright and make for a nice eye-catching build. If you guys enjoyed the look of this system so far, don't forget to check out next week's update, the final build video. Here we have a little teaser for you before we finish, and if you guys like the video, please give it a like, please subscribe, check out our Patreon link down below if you want to contribute, and we'll see you in the next video. Click here to check out our latest custom PCs that we've built from scratch. Do you have a PC you want featured on the channel? Well, click here to see what other PCs have been featured. Are you into gameplay? Click here to see our latest gameplay content. Thanks for watching, guys. Your feedback is always helpful, so be sure to leave a comment down below and we'll see you in the next one.